Buying the best toaster oven is important, so I decided to research pretty much every top-rated toaster oven on the market to find out which ones are worth buying. Just be sure to click the links in the description to check the current prices for each of the best toaster ovens on my list. And with that said, here are the 5 products that made the cut. I recently gave the Cuisinart Custom Classic Toaster Oven a whirl and found that its even toasting results are seriously impressive. Thanks to the always even shade control technology, every slice came out just right, which was an absolute delight. Whether I was toasting bread or baking a small pizza, it handled various toasting tasks without a hitch, which is really impressive for the price. Additionally, its auto slide-out rack is a lifesaver when it comes to removing hot food safely, and the cool touch handle adds an extra layer of safety that I really appreciate. It's also straightforward to clean thanks to the non-stick interior and removable crumb tray, making my post-cooking cleanup routine much easier than I'd anticipated. On the downside, it does take up more counter space than smaller models. Plus, the stainless steel exterior can get pretty hot, so I had to be careful around it. Lastly, its manual dials, though easy to use, lack the absolute precision of digital controls. So, while this Cuisinart model isn't the absolute best countertop toaster oven on the market, it's still a good choice for budget-conscious shoppers who want a good toaster oven for their kitchen. Taking the number 4 spot on my best convection toaster oven list is the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven, which I rate as the best toaster oven for frozen pizza, thanks to its spacious 16-liter capacity and easy access design. This Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for convenience and ease of use without spending a fortune on bells and whistles that you might not need. The unique roll-top door of the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven sets it apart from the crowd. This clever design makes it simple to access your food without any risk of burning yourself on the door, which is more than can be said for some toaster ovens, let me tell you. Also, the compact design frees up counter space, which is a big win for smaller kitchens and those seeking the best compact toaster oven. Another thing I love is how easy it is to keep clean. Since the door moves up and out of the way, crumbs and spills stay contained in the oven. So you simply wipe down the interior without worrying about getting the door dirty. Now, what really impressed me was how versatile this oven is. With functions for baking, broiling, and toasting, it handled everything I threw at it, from crispy pizza to perfectly toasted slices of bread. Overall, if you can look past the lack of digital conveniences, this Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven is just about the best budget toaster oven that you can get, in my opinion. Moving on to the third best rated toaster oven, we have the BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven, which I think is the best small toaster oven that you can get if you want a convenient convection toaster oven without the large footprint. The compact design of this top toaster oven makes it a real space saver, yet it doesn't compromise on functionality because the interior space fits a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, which is perfect if you have more moderate cooking needs. Also, I can easily switch between baking, broiling, toasting, and keeping food warm, which are all accessible from intuitive manual dials. Additionally, the removable crumb tray simplifies the cleaning process, so I don't need to worry about leftover crumbs causing a mess. While the capacity is limited compared to some of the other best toaster ovens, meaning I can't cook large meals, the efficiency and compactness make it worthwhile for many people. The only minor inconvenience is adjusting the manual timer for longer cooking sessions. Other than that, I definitely rate the BLACK+DECKER as the best mini toaster oven that you can get for your kitchen. Taking the all-important number 2 spot in my toaster oven review roundup is the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 toaster oven, which I really think is the best toaster oven for toast since the unit doubles up as a traditional 2-slice toaster. I recently tried out the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 toaster oven and absolutely love the dual functionality because it makes fantastic toast quickly and doubles as a mini oven, perfect for baking or broiling small dishes. So if you're looking for the best compact toaster oven, this multi-use toaster oven is a game changer for saving counter space because you're essentially getting 2 appliances in one. The other feature that really stood out to me was the separate shade selector for toast, which gave me precise control over how browned I wanted my bread, making breakfast much more enjoyable. Plus, it's definitely faster than my old toaster oven, which is perfect for busy mornings. Now, in terms of usability, switching between toaster and oven modes is straightforward with a simple slide of a lever, making this a great appliance for anyone from kitchen wizards to those who appreciate ease of use, such as elderly people. Overall, as one of the top toaster ovens that I've tested, I firmly believe that this product is a solid addition to any kitchen and is seriously worth considering if you need cooking efficiency and versatility in one appliance. So, what is the best toaster oven to buy? Well, based on my testing, I'd have to say that the Best Toaster Oven Award goes to the Breville Mini Smart Oven, thanks to its quick cooking times and refreshing ease of use. Unlike the Best Large Toaster Oven, I enjoy how the Breville Mini Smart Oven fits snugly on my countertop without gobbling up too much space. Its compact design doesn't sacrifice functionality either. It's a jack of all trades with 8 different cooking options. Now, one of my favorite aspects is the quick preheat. I can have hot, crispy toast or a perfectly baked pizza in no time. And since the Element IQ system intelligently distributes heat, I've noticed more even cooking compared to some other models I've tried. Of course, while its small size is great for space saving, it means that it can only handle relatively small batches. So if you're looking to cook for a family dinner, you might need to do it in rounds. Another downside is the lack of a convection feature, which some folks might find limiting. As much as I love the other products that I tested for my toaster oven reviews, this oven is perfect for someone like me who needs a reliable and efficient countertop oven without taking up too much kitchen real estate. Whether I'm toasting bagels or reheating leftovers, it gets the job done with ease. So it's no wonder that it came out on top in these toaster oven ratings. And there you have it, the best toaster oven for baking and more. If you've got any other questions at all about buying the best convection toaster oven, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more videos like this one.